So when it comes to compound interest, the calculation in conventional way becomes a little more tougher than in case of simple interest. But the formula I would say is quite simpler than in case of simple interest. Just note down the formula which I'm going to write. So it's I by 1 point R plus I by 1 point R whole square plus I by 1 point R cube is equal to amount. So y to the power 3 to the power 2 to the power 1. So if I give you the period of 3 years, you just write the same as I by 1 point R. And suppose the time period is 3 years, what you do, start from the back, you just write 3, 2, 1. Had it been 4 years, there would have been one more plus sign with I by 1 point R to the power 4. That becomes the formula in case of 4 years. Considering the time period of 3 years, this becomes the formula with the back side of calculation is 3, 2, 1. You see it that way. So if I give you the rate of interest as 4%, you will have in the denominator as 1.04. So had your rate of interest been 20%, in denominator you would have 1.20. And same here, 1.20 whole square, 1.20 whole cube. So that way, with just using calculator for 30 seconds during your CAT exam or CMAT, you would reach your answer rather than getting involved in like huge calculation parts, just stuffing your brain with lot many calculations.